Have you ever taken your car to the garage and been hit with sticker shock when you get the bill? You're not alone. Vehicle repairs are getting more expensive on average. According to a recent study by CarMD, the average car repair cost reached a 13-year peak in 2022, hitting $403.71. And costs are worse in the western states and the south, with averages hitting $416 and $410 respectively. Now, why? Besides inflation, which is definitely playing a part in rising costs, there are three primary reasons. One is catalytic converter theft. The past few years have seen a sharp rise in stolen catalytic converters, and those components are not cheap to replace. The next reason is that the average age of cars on the road is as high as it's ever been. The average car is over 12 years old, according to the Wall Street Journal. Older cars are more likely to have expensive components fail on them. The last reason is that there's been a rapid rise in demand for battery replacements for hybrids and EVs, and battery replacements are expensive. So what can you do? If your car is in need of immediate work, there's not a whole bunch that can help you right now. But simple maintenance like oil and filter changes are typically pretty easy for the average person to do, and they'll be way cheaper as a DIY than taking your car to a garage. And it's worth mentioning that catalytic converter theft deterrents are a lot cheaper than getting one replaced. Hopefully, there will be a bit more relief for car owners soon, myself included.